Hi, welcome to Powerlife Global Business Opportunity. In this video, I want to show you how to register a new member, how to register a new account, or how to register a new member. All right, so this is your account back office dashboard. And so you have your different wallets here. So you can see you have your wallet A, you have your wallet B, and then you have your P coin. So this is your wallet from which you can withdraw. This is the wallet you use for registrations, referrals. So what happens is you need to deposit money to the company's account depending on your country, and then you load this wallet, or you can convert your wallet B to wallet A and use it to register and collect the money direct from the people you are registering. So there are a number of ways to do the registration. Let me show you quickly the processes. So here you have your pre-registration URL. So this is a referral link for you to pre-register somebody who has shown interest. But that does not give the person an account, but the person shows interest, and so you send this link. You can copy this link and send to the person, and the person will pre-register. And then that gives the person information to you. And once the person fills that form and you come up here, you will see a crawler up here indicating somebody has pre-registered. It will be in red letters and it will be crawling here, and the person is waiting for public registration. So once that is done, you can decide to now come and register the person. That is one way to do it. Or you can start all afresh by coming here, user and packages. So you come to packages, and then you click on the small drop down arrow there, and then you come to new register. So you click on new register, and then it will bring the country. So the country of origin of the person you are registering, or the country of residence where the person is resident. So let's say I am in Ghana. I want to refer somebody or register somebody in Ghana. So I just click the flag of that country, indicating I'm going to register the person under the Ghana office. So once you come here, you see the different products. All right, so sometimes this one will come because your ID is selected. So it will tell you member ID JF Kennedy already in use. So you will change it. So just click OK. And so select the package the person is registering with, whether it is VIP, whether it is manager, or it is power. So let's assume it is VIP. And VIP is what? Two products. So one product is $50, the other is $50. So you just, once you have selected the VIP, you just select the products you want, the person wants. So you let the person know the products that are there, and then the person will choose, and maybe this one. So if this is not the product, maybe the person wants detox and then protect. So those are the two products for VIP package. So that's it, $100, that's 600 Ghana cedis. And then you come down here, and then you select the referrer ID, who is referring. So maybe JF Kennedy is referring, the referrer name will come. And then this one is very important, the placer ID, where you want to place the person. It's a binary system. Normally one leg is the team leg, and then the other leg is your personal leg. So you choose by default, the system will want to place the person on the team leg or the larger leg, so you can see the search biggest group. So, but if you have one person on one leg already, then you select the other leg, and then you will be determining which leg to put the new person on. So I decide that I want to put it on the right, because my left leg is my team leg, and there are some points there already. So if I want to place this new registration, I'll place it on the right, which is my personal leg, and then it will match the points on the left leg, and then I will end from there. So I will choose right, and then I will choose, I don't want to put under this, so I can choose which of them. I can type in the exact place I want this person to be placed under. So you choose the placer ID, that is the account under which you want to place this new person. So if it is your first registration, then that one you can choose any, left or right, then you don't have a problem. But if you have placed somebody on one leg already, then you place the new person on the other leg so that you can start getting your pairing bonus. All right, so let's assume I'm choosing this one, and then you make sure that place is very, very important, so get it right. And then here is the member ID, the person you are registering, that is their username. So you type in their username. So maybe it is Kofi King. So maybe it's Kofik. That is the username. So you type it in there. Clean this. It is still using the old system. Account member ID. Then, so that is it, the username or the member ID. And then you type in the password. The passwords are two. You have the login password, and you repeat it. And each password must be at least 6 characters, minimum 6 characters. It can be a mixture of letters, that's alphabets and numbers, whichever you want or the person wants. So make sure you write it down so that the person doesn't forget or you don't forget. So you have it there, you repeat it, and then your security password is like your transaction or your payment password. You need it for every major transaction or activity the back office. So make sure you get that one, the login password, and then the security password. You enter, repeat, you enter and repeat that one. And then you select the language, which is English, and then the full name. Okay, so the full name of the person you are registering, you type the full name there, and then the passport or NRIC, that's the ID number. So if you have a passport, you put your passport number there. If it's a driver's license, you put the driver's license number there. So it's your ID number which is required. And then the country is there, and the phone number, you type in your phone number without the zero, the phone number of the person you are registering, sorry, the phone number of the person you are registering. So you get all this information from the person. If the person is not with you to do the registration together, you just let the person send you a list of all the information you will need. And so you type it there, the country code is here already, and then you type in the email of the person. It should be a valid email because information will be sent to that email. So it should be a valid, active email the person has access to and can log in. And then the date of birth. You enter the date of birth. The bank account detail, you can leave it. When you finish creating the account, the person can fill that one later on by themselves. And then here also is important, recipient. So the person you are registering, their full name must come here, and then self-pick, accept yes. And then these ones too can be filled by the person later. And then this one is compulsory. Without it, you can't continue the registration. So the country, then the contact of the person, beginning with the country code, and then the email of the person. So you can see the asterisk, it means it is required. So you fill those ones, and then you come down here and select this. I agree to terms and conditions. And then you go through and make sure everything is intact. And then you just come down here and type in your security password, your security, because it is from your account you are registering the person. So you type in your security password, and then you click submit. And once you click submit, it just, if everything is all right, then it will just create the account and then give you the details of the person. Then you confirm it, and then it will create the account, and the purchases will be done. And then you send the person. Once the person's email is here, the notice will be sent to the person by email. The login details and everything will be sent to the person by email, and the person can log into their account. So that is how you do the registration. If you did a pre-registration and the crawler is here, if you go to packages and then you click new referral, you will see that information appear at the down here. The person who has done the pre-registration, it will show up here. So once you click on it, then it will open this form, but with the information pre-filled already, because you send the referral link to the person. All the person's information that the person has filled himself will appear all here already. So except the password and the ones that are not filled, that you will complete for the person and register the person. So that is how you do a new registration for somebody you want to register. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.